Did you know that space is completely silent? Without an atmosphere to carry sound, the vast expanses of the universe are eerily quiet. And while we're on the subject of vastness, it's mind-boggling to think that the observable universe is about 93 billion light-years in diameter. That means the light from some stars has traveled billions of years before reaching our eyes. But here's something closer to home: if you could drive a car upwards at 60 miles per hour, you would reach space in just over an hour. And once you're there, you'd witness the marvel of a sunset every 90 minutes aboard the International Space Station, orbiting Earth at 17,500 miles per hour. Space is not just about distance and silence, it's about time and perspective. Every look into the night sky is a glimpse into the past. Some stars we see might not even exist anymore. So, next time you gaze at the stars, remember, you're looking at the history of our universe. And if you're fascinated by the wonders of the cosmos, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to join us on more astronomical adventures.